how to take screenshot in automation. So first of all, create the one package, take screenshot. Package name నేను గూగుల్ అప్లికేషన్ స్క్రీన్షాట్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా. సో నేను గూగుల్ అని తీసుకున్నా. వన్ మెయిన్ మెథడ్ వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ ఈక్వల్ టు న్యూ క్రోమ్ డ్రైవర్ బ్రౌజర్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్. సో డ్రైవర్ డాట్ గెట్ https www.google.com. ఓకే, అప్లికేషన్ ఓపెన్ చేసి మ్యాక్సిమైజ్ ది మై అప్లికేషన్ డ్రైవర్ డాట్ మేనేజ్ డాట్ విండో డాట్ maximize. After maximize, to take the screenshot. So after maximize I will take the screenshot, complete my web page. So take screenshot interface, take screenshot and one interface. We will take screenshot one interface. Variable creation equal to parameter take screenshot driver means complete web page. Driver ts dot get screenshot as. Okay, output type dot file. It means the screenshot file in file format. That's why I am taking output type dot file. So it's my src. So return type is web element src. Sorry, return type means file because of the screenshot format in file. That's why return type is file. So it's my src. So I want to take the screenshot. I will store my one folder to store it in a file format. So that's why I'm taking file destination equal to new file. So to pass the folder path, so first of all I will take one folder, like folder take screenshot folder. So screenshot folder I will create screenshot folder. One folder, screenshot folder, screenshot. So it's my folder, it is my folder. So right click, properties, and copy the location and pass the location, and to store it in png extension .png extension. My screenshot name was Google. So Google dot whatever it may be, Google dot Google dot png. It's my screenshot name, and dot png. Google is my screenshot name, and dot png is must and should. You will be we use must and should dot png. So after files dot copy source to destination. So add through declaration. It's fine, right? And so just wait. I will run the program. Right click, Java application. So browser open, Google application open. Just wait, it will take some time. Sorry, I think my URL is wrong. Yeah, www dot right click, run as Google application. So browser open, Google application open, maximize this way, and it will take screenshot. You know, screenshot are taking or not. So you refresh your project or your folder. So open the screenshot folder, open it. So complete, it is a screenshot. It is your screenshot. Now my requirement only taking screenshot Google logo, like this image. This image only I want to take a screenshot. That time first of all find the element. So drive dot find element by XPath. So first of all find the your location of the what you want to take the screenshot, like web page or element. So find the element. So location of the that element, inspect the page and finder image, and it class tag name img @class attribute name equal to single quotation close 1 of 1. So it is my element location and stored in a one variable, like image img variable. So return type means web element. So I will take screenshot of particular one logo or image. That time image dot get screenshot as output type dot file output dot type output dot file. It's my src1 because of already src I used. So src1 is my new variable, and file to store to destination1 equal to new file location. So same location I will take, right click, properties, copy the location, copy and paste it. And I want to change my particular logo, like logo image. So that's why I will take logo dot png extension. After files dot copy destination source 1 destination 1. So just wait, I will run the program. Browser open, application open, maximize, and taking screenshot particular logo it will take. So before you want to refresh your project, so logo.png, your logo is called the difference between complete web page or particular one element. You want to take a screenshot complete web page or particular element. This is the code. That's it.